Why is proper PPE donning and doffing crucial on construction sites? Imagine working high above the ground or around heavy machinery without the right safety gear. It might seem simple, but how you put on and take off personal protective equipment can make all the difference. On construction sites, PPE is your first line of defense against many hazards. But it only works if worn correctly and removed properly. If PPE is not fitted right, it might not protect you from impacts, dust, chemicals, or sharp objects. For example, a poorly fitted helmet might slip off during a fall, or gloves that are too loose may not shield your hands from cuts. When you remove PPE, it's just as important. Contaminants like chemicals or biological hazards can cling to the outside of your gear. If you take off PPE carelessly, you risk transferring those hazards to your skin, clothes, or face. That can lead to injuries or illnesses that could have been avoided. Following a step-by-step removal process helps prevent this. For instance, start by removing gloves first, since they are most likely contaminated. Then, carefully take off gowns or coveralls, avoiding contact with the outside surfaces. Always do this in designated areas to keep contamination from spreading to other parts of the site. Proper donning and doffing also involve good hygiene. Washing your hands before putting on PPE and after removing it helps eliminate any lingering hazards. Touching your face with contaminated gloves can transfer harmful substances directly to your skin. Safety protocols on construction sites often specify the exact order for putting on PPE. For example, you might first put on safety boots, then coveralls, followed by helmets, goggles, and gloves. When removing, start with gloves, then coveralls, and finally other gear. Training workers on these procedures is essential. It ensures everyone knows how to protect themselves and others. This reduces the chance of accidents and keeps the site safer for all. Proper PPE use also helps meet safety regulations set by government agencies. Noncompliance can lead to fines or work stoppages. When workers follow correct donning and doffing steps, it supports smooth operations and minimizes delays caused by contamination or injuries. In the end, mastering these routines is a vital part of a construction worker's job. It shows a commitment to safety and professionalism. It also helps protect your health and your career. Whether you are working with chemicals, dust, or heavy objects, correct PPE use is your best safeguard. Remember, safety is a team effort, and proper PPE handling is a key part of that.